Uh, I found this latest update on the Binance app. You know how you're used to using your MetaMask and your Trust Wallet to access your decentralized applications. Right now, Binance Exchange has integrated your your decentralized wallet, into the exchange. So, how do you access your Trust Wallet from your Binance Exchange app? First and first, you just go to your Binance app, especially on your mobile phone. Then you drag down. When you drag down, it opens the marketplace for you. And then you see Pancakeswap. You click on Pancakeswap, it takes you to the Pancakes Pancakeswap website. Remember that Pancakeswap is a decentralized exchange and it shouldn't even be seen on a centralized app. But this integration made it so easy, very super easy, that you can just simply not move away from the exchange and still access your Trust Wallet application. So how do you do that? If you are new to doing this, you see connect, and you will need to either create a new wallet or import, like from here now, either create a new wallet or import your old wallet. In that import your old wallet, you see in the import part, you see where you need to put in your recovery phrase. When you put in your recovery phrase of your Trust Wallet, it automatically loads up your wallet. Now this one is already loaded, like I already um added recovery phrase on my Trust Wallet, and it's showing my Trust Wallet, showing that it's connected. But the first thing you see when you click that Pancake Swap, it takes you to, and then you have to either create a new wallet or import your already existing wallet. So this way you are still on your Binance Exchange app, but you are trading on the decentralized application like Pancakeswap, accessing the balance on your Trust Wallet, for example, or any other um, decentralized wallet that you're using. So to me, this is a great integration and update on the Binance Exchange app, because you just simply do everything in one place without moving from one app to the other. So you just simply access your Trust Wallet from your Binance and do your swap easily, easy PC. So you just see everything. So far, so good, and see access. See, see access your liquidity. Like if you're into adding liquidity, the exchange. See trade all your tokens from your wallet. See, I see able to trade all your tokens from your wallet, and very simple. So just make sure you can check this out. You can check this update out on your, so just right now, go to your phone, go to your Binance Exchange, and do a drag down and check for Pancakeswap, and load up your wallet and see. Easy, very easy. You now have access to your Trust Wallet from your Binance Exchange app. Thank you. If you did that, just don't forget to leave a comment in this comment section that says you've done it or you've checked it out.